Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. Something. Do you ever start an intro and, well, you try to start an intro and you have no idea what to say? Yeah, brain fart. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I don't know, for the life of me, I can never get that line out. If it's your first time, why is it so hard? Dang. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Let's do that again. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm your girl Shauna, but you can call me Shaunz, of course. Thank you so much for stopping by. And in today's video, I am kind of excited. Well, I'm actually really excited because I went on revolution.com and picked up myself some makeup. And this is the box right here. It's marked Revolution Makeup Revolution London. Now Revolution has been doing the thing, you guys, like it's quickly become one of my favorite drugstore brands out there, and they are super affordable and their makeup items are amazing. I mean, you can't go wrong. If you pick up their palettes, you will find really good pigmentation, and their lip products and everything else is just amazing. So I decided to get some stuff, to cheer myself up, because sometimes you have to cheer yourself up if you're feeling down. So I decided to do some shopping. So if you want to see what's in this little box right here, then keep on watching. Okay, so before we go any further, the lashes I'm wearing today are from my lash collection, Shaunz Beauty Lashes, and these are some of the silk ones, and this one is called Samantha, and this one is super flirty. It's really nice and it's very soft and comfortable. So if you're looking for something to be a little bit different from what you're used to wearing, then I'd suggest that you try these ones out. They are really nice and I really like them. They're very lightweight and they're comfortable. So get yourself some Samanthas, okay? Check out shaunzbeauty.com. Anywho, let's move into this video. Now, this box, guys, the only thing I've done to this box is basically ripped off this part right here. So I'm just going to dive right in. And it says here, we fight for quality, we fight for speed, we fight for diversity, we fight for you. How amazing is that? So it comes right here. So that's very nice. Now, let's see what's in this box. Shauna, you are the revolution. Thank you for shopping with us. So basically it's a card and then it shows you some of their stuff right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. So let's dig into this box. I might need a pair of scissors. Ooh la la. Or not. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this in random order, you guys. So I picked up 5 of these, and they are meant to be a lip crayon. They're good for eyes, lips, and cheeks, and I picked up 5 shades. So this one is called Confidential. This one is called Inventive, so that's a red. This one is called Disruptor, and that's a black. This one's called Epiphany, and it's sort of like a wine color, and this one is called Prefigure, and this is like a brown. So I will be swatching these in a separate video so that you guys can actually see how they look on the lips. I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll use them on the eyes sometimes, but I think I'm going to be using them mostly on my lips. And these are called the Illustrator, and it's by Revolution Pro. Let me hold them up so you guys can see them. So these are what they look like, and they're like lip crayons, and they're meant to give a matte finish. So I'm going to swatch these in a separate video so you guys can see whether they're pigmented or whether they dry down to a matte finish. So these are called the Illustrators, and I'm excited to try these out, of course. What else do we have? We have, oh, the pressed glitter palette, and this one is called Abracadabra. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me know if there's too much light. And on the back here it says pressed glitter palette called Abracadabra. Ooh, magic. So let's see. Let's see. Ooh, it's such a luxurious looking palette, you guys. Look at this. Ooh, it's glitter and everything. It's really nice. And when you open it, it has a big mirror, of course. I'm going to show you. It has a big mirror right here. I don't want to blind you. And then it has all those beautiful pressed glitter color. Oh my goodness. I will swatch these for you guys, but I will swatch them in an entirely different video. This is worth swatching on its own. So of course I'm going to show you guys what these beautiful glitter, pressed glitter look like. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is from Revolution again, and this is called the Abracadabra Pressed Glitter Palette. How beautiful is this? So beautiful. And what else do we have here? Oh, I picked up their new foundation, and this is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I've been seeing this advertised on Instagram, and I've been wanting to try it out, but they did not have it in stores, so I decided to go on the site and pick it up. And this is in the shade 12, I think it's 12. Sorry, F13. So I'll be doing a separate video again testing out this foundation, because I'm really excited to see how it works, because I've seen a lot of reviews and swatches and all that good stuff on this foundation, and I want to try it out and see how it works with my skin. So of course look out for a video on this. And of course you guys have seen their concealer. It's amazing, you guys. I picked up 2 of their concealers and I really love them. They kind of remind me of the Too Faced concealer. Let me know in the comment section if you think so. So their concealers do remind me of the Too Faced concealer. So I'm excited to try this one out, because they're somewhat of a dupe for the Too Faced foundation and Too Faced concealer. So I'll be doing a video on this, so of course look out for that. I have a few videos coming up, so make sure that you keep your eyes peeled. Okay, what else do we have in this box? It feels like Christmas, you guys. Yes. I get so excited. Okay, so I picked up this palette called Be Crazy About Obsession. This is what the outside looks like. Very cute. And then we're going to open it. Oh, I hate opening these packages. So this is what the palette looks like, and at the back it has numbers. I don't know what the numbers represent. I think the numbers represent the shades. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shadows in this palette. And I don't think they sell these in stores. I think if you want to get these palettes, you'll have to go on the revolution.com site. So when you open it, it has a mirror, which is always a plus. I love when palettes have mirrors. And then you have these beautiful shades. Let me take off the plastic for you real quick. Well packaged. So these are the shades in this palette. Can you guys see them? So you have Icon, Joy, Cloud9, Idol, Excite, Ardor, Champion, Hero Worship, Emotion, and Fire. And I'll be swatching these along with the glitter palette in a separate video, because I don't really want to make this video too long. So of course I'll be swatching this and I'll be swatching these two together so you guys can see how beautiful they are. Well, they actually look beautiful. I don't know how they're going to swatch, but we'll see in that video. So this is called Be Crazy About, and then you have Obsession right there. Lovely. And of course another palette. I wonder if it's the same one. Oh my goodness, guys. Do you know what? I picked up 2 of the same palette, so of course I'm going to have to give this away. So look out for an Instagram giveaway or something. But I accidentally bought 2 of the same palette. It will never go to waste because I will find somebody out there to give it to. So there will be a giveaway coming up for this palette. But yes, I picked up 2 of the same palette. Stupid me. And then I picked up this palette called Dedicated, and I think it's from their Obsession line or something. I'm not quite sure. This one is called Dedicated, and it has like, it's like a sunset backdrop with, I don't know if that's the ocean, but it's quite beautiful. And then at the back here it says Dedicated, and it has 4 different shades, and it's a highlighter palette. So of course you'll be getting a swatch of this, but in a separate video. But I'm just going to open it up and let you guys see what's inside. So that's what it looks like. It looks like, I can't speak today. I don't know why I cannot speak today. Ooh, these are pretty. And these, my friends, are the beautiful shades in this palette. Oh my goodness, I'm just going to tease you a little bit. Look at that. I am so going to tease you. I'm just going to give you one swatch today, and then I'm going to swatch this one, the Obsession palette, and also the glitter palette in another video. So I'm going to be swatching all 3 of these in a separate video. So as I said, keep an eye out for that video. And then lastly, in this box I picked up some Revolution lip trends, and these are from their Lip Ultra Vamp 2017. So I will do a video on this as well, but I'll probably have a separate swatch video. So I'll swatch like the illustrators in one video, or I might add these 2, or I might do another video where I swatch this and also, or should I just swatch them for you now? Let me do a hand swatch. Let me swatch them on my arm for you guys. I know I feel so mean. Okay. So this one is called, does it have a name? This one is called Lip Euphoria. So let's see if it's, quite pigmented actually for a lip gloss. It's quite pigmented, isn't it? That's a really nice glossy red. Okay, so this one is called Lip Euphoria, and then you have this one called Lip Amplification, and it's kind of like a deep red. Ooh, these colors are really nice. I wonder how they will look on the lips. So this one is the one I just swatched, and it's called Lip Amplification. They're really, really nice. And the last one is called Lip Share, and it's sort of like a pink. Let's swatch this right here. Oh, these are really nice, guys. If you're a lip gloss person, then you really might like these. So this one is called Lip Share. Hope you can see that. So these are 3 of the lip trends, Lip Ultra Vamp 2017 from Revolution. And they are really pigmented, you guys. I'm really, really surprised. So of course I'll be trying them on my lips to see how they actually come off on my lips. So look out for that video. Okay guys, so that's my little haul for today, but I just wanted to tell you how much everything cost, and they weren't expensive. These were basically £3 each. These were £3. And what else? The Obsession palette was £5, which is this one. That was £5. The glitter palette was £8.33. The foundation was £7.50. The highlighter palette was £5. And the lip gloss, it's the lip gloss, they were where is that it was £3.50. So this was quite an affordable shop on Revolution. If you guys don't know who they are, go ahead and check out revolution.com. They have tons and tons and tons of makeup. You can also find them on Beauty Bay, because I think Beauty Bay just started carrying them, and Beauty Bay, I think, ships internationally. So if you can't get it from the Superdrug stores or Boots stores, you can always check out Beauty Bay. You know, try out Revolution. I think they're so worth it. They have amazing products, and you have a lot of YouTubers who work in collaboration with them. So make sure you go ahead and check out revolution.com if you want to get some of these lovely, affordable, really good items. That is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. If you like these quick hauls, let me know as well. I was quite excited to pick up these things from Revolution because, as I said, they are affordable and they have amazing products. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Leave me a comment to let me know if you have any of these products or if you plan on getting any of them in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video from me. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.